Rosemary water literally changed my life. My hair grew from this length to this length in only 1 year. Here's how I did it. How to make rosemary water. Now first we're going to start out by adding 5 cups of water. Now we're going to go in and with our rosemary. This can be found in your local grocery store, somebody's garden, grow it. And we're just going to add 5 rosemary. Basically, each one rosemary for each cup we poured. Our rosemary is added to the pot. We're going to go in with some olive oil and just add some olive oil into our rosemary. Now we're going to let our rosemary water boil for 15 minutes. Once your rosemary has come to a boil and you see it start to change color and almost go like a rose pinkish texture, you let it sit for 25 minutes. Our rosemary water is finished, so I'm just going to go in and pour this in a cup. This is the time when you actually strain off the top, but I don't have a strainer, so I'm just going to scoop off the excess on the top and then basically add that into my mist bottle. I prefer a mist bottle because I feel like it gets all through my hair versus a regular spray bottle. I'm going to show you how I added rosemary water into my daily moisture routine. First we're going to go in with the miel oil. This is also infused with rosemary and very light and good for your scalp health. Now we're going to add Jamaican black castor oil. This is the Jamaican mango and lime edition. Another staple in my routine. Very good for strengthening the hair. Also gives my hair a very nice shine. And I just overall love the smell. Our oil is thoroughly through our hair. Now we're going to go in with the rosemary water and use this as our last step routine. I absolutely love the results that I got in over a year. Like, I sure y'all can see the growth. And this is literally everything that I do for my locks to grow.